Start here.
Welcome to Start Here, a transformative journey from the Start Here with Jefferson YouTube channel. This playlist is designed to help you navigate and achieve your personal and professional goals. We delve into essential aspects of personal growth, helping you take that crucial first step towards change and success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let this be yours. Explore your purpose. Define your passions and set meaningful goals. Change is vital and growth guarantees a better tomorrow. Together, we can unlock your potential. Join us today and begin your journey. Warm regards, Jefferson.
Welcome to the section Financial Mastery.
This section is designed to help you take control of your financial future by building the skills and mindset needed for financial mastery. You'll explore practical strategies for managing money effectively, setting realistic financial goals, and making informed decisions that align with your values and long-term vision. From budgeting and saving to investing wisely, you'll learn the essentials of financial planning to create stability and growth in your finances. Beyond the basics, this section guides you in developing a wealth-building mindset. You'll discover how to overcome common financial challenges, avoid debt traps, and make choices that support lasting financial health. With a focus on financial literacy, you'll gain insights into balancing spending with saving, growing your wealth through investments, and preparing for future financial needs. Through actionable steps and empowering examples, you'll be encouraged to take ownership of your financial journey. By mastering these principles, you'll build confidence in managing your money, creating a secure foundation that supports both your present needs and future aspirations. This section equips you with the tools to achieve financial freedom, empowering you to live a life of stability, opportunity, and independence.
Today's episode.
Chapter 43. Make more money. Introduction.
Money plays a crucial role in shaping the opportunities, stability, and freedom you experience in life. While making money might sound straightforward, achieving financial growth requires strategy, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. This chapter dives into the principles of earning more money, emphasizing that wealth is not merely about working harder, but working smarter. In a world driven by innovation and changing economies, there are countless ways to increase your income. From traditional employment to creative pursuits, entrepreneurship, and investments, the possibilities are as diverse as your ambitions. Making more money starts with identifying your strengths, exploring opportunities, and taking action. This chapter will unpack strategies to help you diversify income streams, overcome earning plateaus, and adopt a growth mindset that embraces financial opportunities. By learning how to make smarter financial decisions and leverage your unique skills, you can unlock the potential for sustainable financial growth.
Understanding the concept.
Making more money doesn't necessarily mean working extra hours or juggling multiple jobs. It's about recognizing and capitalizing on opportunities that align with your skills, knowledge, and passions. The process begins with understanding the various ways to earn income. One, active income. Money earned through direct efforts, such as job or freelance work. 2. Passive income. Money earned with minimal ongoing effort, such as rental properties, dividends, or royalties. 3. Portfolio income. Money earned from investments like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The key to making more money lies in combining these streams to build a robust financial framework. For example, while your day job provides a steady income, side projects or investments can diversify your earnings and reduce risks. Developing new skills is another crucial aspect of earning more. Upskilling in high-demand areas like digital marketing, data analytics, or project management can open doors to higher-paying roles or freelance opportunities. Additionally, learning to negotiate your salary or pricing for services is a game changer in boosting income. Finally, mindset matters. Cultivating a growth mindset allows you to view challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement. By staying adaptable, you can pivot and seize financial opportunities as they arise.
Challenges and solutions.
One, limited skills or knowledge. A lack of marketable skills can hinder earning potential. Solution: identify in-demand skills and pursue online courses, certifications, or workshops. Platforms like Robo's Digital Expert or LinkedIn Learning, Coursera can help bridge the gap. 2. Fear of risks. Many hesitate to explore entrepreneurial ventures or investments due to fear of failure. Solution: start small. Test ideas with minimal financial commitment, such as freelancing or micro-investing apps, to build confidence. 3. Time constraints. Balancing a full-time job and side hustles can be overwhelming. Solution: prioritize efficiency by automating tasks, outsourcing, or focusing on ventures that offer scalable returns. 4. Market saturation. Highly competitive markets can make it challenging to stand out. Solution: focus on niche markets or unique value propositions that differentiate you from competitors. 5. Lack of capital. Starting a business or investing often requires upfront funds. Solution: begin with low-cost ventures like e-commerce, digital products, or freelancing to generate initial capital.
Practical applications.
1. Start a side hustle. Leverage your skills to create a secondary income stream. For example, if you are a graphic designer, consider freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. Invest in yourself. Upskill by taking courses or obtaining certifications that align with your career goals. Higher qualifications often lead to better paying opportunities. Three, exploit passive income. Consider options like affiliate marketing, creating online courses, or renting out unused space. 4. Network strategically. Surround yourself with mentors and peers who inspire growth. Networking can lead to lucrative collaborations or opportunities. 5. Track and evaluate progress. Regularly assess your financial growth. Tools like budgeting apps can help you understand where your money is coming from and identify areas for improvement.
Case studies or examples.
One, Masayoshi Son, founder of SoftBank. Son built one of the largest global technology investment firms. 2. Strive Masiyewa, entrepreneur who grew Econet Wireless into a Pan-African telecommunications leader. 3. Sarah Davis, from crafting to creating a company, Crafter's Companion, Davis became a leading entrepreneur in the creative industry. Masayoshi Son built SoftBank into a global technology investment powerhouse, showcasing how calculated risks and innovation drive financial growth. Strive Masayoshi transformed Econet Wireless into a Pan-African telecommunications leader, highlighting resilience and strategic vision. Sarah Davis turned her passion for crafting into Crafter's Companion, becoming a successful entrepreneur in the creative industry. These stories illustrate that combining vision, persistence, and strategic action can lead to significant financial and personal achievements.
Personal reflections.
Take a moment to reflect on your current income streams. Are you utilizing your skills and resources effectively? Write down 3 potential ways to increase your income, such as learning a new skill, exploring passive income opportunities, or starting a side business. Identify the first step you can take for each idea and commit to starting within the next week. Regularly revisit and refine your financial goals to stay on track.
Conclusion.
Making more money requires a mix of strategy, persistence, and adaptability. By identifying opportunities, improving your skills, and embracing a growth mindset, you can build a more secure and prosperous financial future. Challenges like market competition or limited resources are not insurmountable, but rather opportunities to innovate and grow. Take control of your financial journey and remember that consistent effort and learning pave the way to success. Start today and set yourself on the path to greater financial freedom.
A final thought with Jefferson. The title of this episode of A Final Thought with Jefferson is Resilience in Adversity, Standing Strong When Life Gets Tough.
Adversity is an inescapable part of life, and it is during these testing times that the strength of your character is revealed. When life presents challenges, it offers you a chance to build resilience and demonstrate your inner power. Each setback is not a signal of defeat, but an opportunity to learn, grow, and emerge even stronger. Begin by accepting that tough times are temporary. When you encounter difficulties, remind yourself that adversity does not define you, it refines you. Strength is born from determination and the resolve to keep moving forward despite obstacles. Take a moment each day to reflect on past challenges you have overcome. These are the proof of your ability to withstand adversity. Adopt a mindset that sees obstacles as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. When faced with hardship, break your challenges into manageable parts. Focus on what you can control and take incremental actions to regain your footing. Every small effort to improve your situation builds the foundation of resilience. Build a support system around you. Share your struggles with trusted friends, mentors, or family members who can offer encouragement and practical advice. Their unwavering belief in you can provide the strength you need during rough times. Remember, resilience is not about pretending that everything is perfect. It is about recognizing the difficulties, facing them head-on, and refusing to let them stand in the way of your progress. Embrace the tough moments as opportunities to prove to yourself that you are capable of rising above any challenge. Today, stand strong in the face of adversity. Choose to fight for your dreams despite the odds that may come your way. Let every challenge fuel your determination to create a life of courage and achievement. Your resilience is the force that will guide you through the storm and lead you to brighter days ahead.